A little Porsche education. This is an early 911. We would know it here as a long bonnet car. Sorry about the noise in the workshop. And long bonnet, an F series, technically. This is a 1970, but this basic style with this longer lip on the bonnet went from the introduction of 911 in 64.5 through to the introduction of the impact bumpers in 1974. Lots of variations, lots of different engine sizes. You got everything from the hot rod look here through to a 67, little 67S that's been used for competition and is ready to go again. And a 1970 911E. Now the yellow one was an S, which was higher performance engine, and this is an E, which is to the mid-performance engine. And the E's are really, really nice. The S's fly, and the T's are lovely, torquey, and soft. So that's long bonnet Porsches, a 2-minute explanation of what they are. We like them, we do really well with them, we look after them, and if you think we can help with one, let me know.